Unraveling the philosophical threads of simulation. Theory. In the vast landscape of philosophical inquiry, one thread pulls at the fabric of our understanding, challenging the very essence of reality itself. Simulation theory, a concept woven from the intricate interplay of logic, speculation, and existential reflection, invites us to question the nature of our perceived existence, the origin of the concept. At its core, simulation theory proposes a radical idea that our reality, the world we touch, taste, and navigate, might be nothing more than an intricate simulation. The roots of this provocative concept trace back through the corridors of philosophy, echoing the ancient musings of thinkers who pondered the nature of perception and reality. Descartes' skepticism, revisited. René Descartes, the 17th century philosopher, famously declared, "Cogito ergo sum," I think, therefore I am. Simulation theory reignites Descartes' flame of skepticism, but takes it to a new level. It challenges not only the certainty of our existence, but the very fabric of the reality we think we inhabit. Plato's allegory of the cave in a digital age simulation theory resonates with Plato's allegory of the cave, where individuals chained in a dark cave mistake shadows for reality. In our contemporary context, could our perception of the world be akin to shadows on the cave wall, cast by a more profound, simulated reality?
Imagine for a moment that you're a prisoner in a cave. You've been there since birth, shackled so that you're only able to face the wall in front of you. You can't see anything else, not even your fellow prisoners. All you know is the dark, the cold stone, and the flickering shadows in front of you. These shadows, they're your only reality. Projected onto the wall by a fire behind you, they form a puppet show of sorts, created by unseen puppeteers who hold up objects between the fire and the wall. But you don't know this. You've never seen the fire, the puppeteers, or the objects. To you, these shadows are the entire world. This is the essence of Plato's cave theory. It's an allegory that explores the nature of perception and reality. Plato suggests that we, like the prisoners, are confined to a limited understanding of the world. We mistake our perception for reality, seeing only the shadows and not what casts them. Now let's take this a step further. What if one prisoner is freed? Suddenly he'd be able to turn around, see the fire, the puppeteers, and the objects. He'd realize that the shadows are not reality, but mere projections. Initially, the light would hurt his eyes and he'd long for the comfort of the shadows. But eventually, he'd adjust and understand the world as it truly is. This freed prisoner, Plato says, is like a philosopher who has gained knowledge of the higher realities. He has seen past the shadows of the cave and understood the true forms that cast them. But here's the kicker. If this freed prisoner returns to the cave to enlighten his fellow prisoners, they'd ridicule him, unable to grasp his revelations. They'd cling to their shadows, their comfortable illusion, refusing to accept the truth.
The technological evolution. As we venture further into the 21st century, the accelerating pace of technological advancement adds new dimensions to the philosophical discourse. The emergence of virtual realities, sophisticated simulations, and powerful artificial intelligence sparks contemplation. Are we two characters in an advanced simulation crafted by beings or entities beyond our comprehension?
So, if we're the prisoners, what could be our cave's equivalent in the real world? It's a question that beckons us to question our own perceptions and realities. It's a call to step out of our comfort zones and seek the truth, no matter how uncomfortable it might make us. Now think about the world as we know it. What if it's all just an elaborate simulation? Let's dive into the concept of simulation theory, a theory that pushes the boundaries of what we consider reality. Imagine a world where everything we see, touch, taste, and feel is not real, but a part of a highly advanced simulation. This suggests that our reality is not a physical universe, but a construct created by a super-intelligent entity, much like the virtual realities we create in video games or virtual reality simulations. Now you might be thinking, this sounds like a far-fetched idea, but is it really? Consider our current technological advancements. We've made strides in artificial intelligence and virtual reality that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. We're creating virtual environments and AI characters that can learn, adapt, and even exhibit what seems to be consciousness. In fact, some of our most brilliant minds, such as Elon Musk, have publicly entertained the idea that we're living in a simulation. It's a theory that's not only grounded in our current understanding of technology, but also in philosophy, dating back to Plato's cave theory. Moreover, scientific institutions like CERN are probing the very fabric of our reality, exploring the existence of parallel universes and the multiverse theory. If there are indeed countless other universes out there, who's to say that ours isn't a simulated one? Of course, this theory raises a multitude of questions. If we are in a simulation, does it change the way we perceive our existence? Does it alter our understanding of consciousness? And most importantly, does it impact the way we live our lives? It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our understanding of reality. If this theory holds true, it redefines our existence and reshapes the way we perceive the world around us. So as we delve deeper into this rabbit hole, we're left with a thought-provoking question. If this is a simulation, then who or what is the simulator? Scene script. Think about the implications of these theories on our understanding of reality. Now let's step out of the realm of pure philosophy and into the real world. How do these theories, born in the minds of ancient and modern thinkers alike, influence the way we perceive and interact with our environment today? Take Elon Musk, for instance. The tech titan's fascination with simulation theory is no secret. He's suggested that we could all be living in an advanced civilization's computer game. His interest isn't idle speculation, but a reflection of his belief that technology's rapid advancement could make such simulations possible in the future. And Musk isn't alone in his thinking. Many contemporary scientists and theorists have also explored the idea, taking cues from both Plato's cave theory and simulation theory. They're asking the same provocative questions and using technology to seek the answers. Consider the experiments at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Researchers there are probing the fundamental structure of the universe, seeking to understand what reality is made of. Their work has led to the discovery of new particles and has given us a better understanding of how the universe works. It's not a stretch to see how these experiments could, in a way, be seen as trying to pierce the veil of our own cave, seeking to understand what lies beyond the shadows on the wall. Then there's the concept of a multiverse, an idea that there might be multiple, possibly infinite universes existing parallel to our own. This concept pushes the boundaries of our understanding of reality and forces us to question the nature of our existence. Could there be other versions of us, living out their lives in these parallel universes?
The ethical implications. Delving deeper, simulation theory provokes ethical contemplation. If our reality is simulated, what moral significance does our existence hold? Do the actions we perceive as consequential truly matter in the grand scheme of the simulation? The very foundations of ethics may shift in the face of such a paradigm-shattering proposition. Existential angst in a simulated universe. Existential questions take center stage. If our reality is a construct, what becomes of concepts like purpose, meaning, and free will? Does the very notion of individual agency dissolve into the algorithmic patterns of the simulation, leaving us as mere observers?
As we delve deeper into these theories, we begin to see how they're not just philosophical musings, but potential blueprints for understanding our world and our place in it. They challenge us to question what we know, to seek out the unknown, and to continually refine our understanding of reality. Exploring these theories, we realize that our reality might be much more complex than we ever imagined. So what does all this mean for us? Well, it underscores the importance of constantly challenging our perceptions of reality. Plato's cave theory and simulation theory both invite us to consider the possibility that our understanding of the world might be limited or even flawed. They encourage us to be open to new ideas and interpretations, like the intriguing possibilities brought forth by Elon Musk and the scientists at CERN. Remember, reality is not always what it seems, so keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows what you might discover.